Welcome to another edition of Move It to Lube It Mondays. Alright, today we're going to look at ankle mobility. It's not looked at by a lot of people. People don't release it or stretch it enough. Alright, so this is going to be a two-part series, yeah, because this is how important it is. Our ankle and calf muscle is the closest thing to the ground, yeah, so it impacts a lot on how we move. So today's one, we're going to look at when your knee or your foot rolls in, like this. And this impacts mainly gentlemen, males, but does impact some females, so don't ignore it. So in a squat, do a bodyweight squat. If your knees come inwards like this, and look at your foot, if it rolls inwards, this drill is good for you. You can also test it in a lunge. If you roll in like this, your knee comes in, your foot comes in. What you want to do, so that's a test. This is the drill. We're going to drill the left side. We're going to do some little lunges with the left leg. We're going to wedge the right foot under, so we're preventing it from rolling. Okay, so the arch, what happens is the arch, when you lunge or squat, it tends to just drop. Okay, so we're going to wedge that right foot to prevent it from dropping. And I like to do 10 reps, 2 or 3 times. Oh, it takes less than a minute. Do that every day. That's really going to help. Physios say you want to break a habit, it takes 5,000 to 10,000 reps to break a habit, yeah? Give that a go, stop relying on your orthotics and your inner soles and give that a go.